Hi everybody, welcome to McGinn's Woodshop. Today I'm going to show you a doorknob. No, I don't mean me. I mean how to make a doorknob. We have these antique doors and we're missing a handle forever. My mother-in-law's moved in, and well, the door without a handle is kind of annoying to get into. Currently, it's a knife to just pry it, use it, and turn it. So, went ahead and turned a knob on the lathe. Let me show you how I did that. So the first thing I'm going to do is handsaw off the end, just to give myself a nice straight cut and a fresh piece. Here's a regular door handle. I'm going to give myself a little extra beef for working out any potential problems and things. So I'm going to start over here. You can see why I like the black walnut Danish oil. It's got a beautiful finish to it. So in order to get this, I'll just go ahead and take a measurement with the caliper. Press it nice and firmly against, lock it in place, pull it off. Check it again for any type of wiggle or room. I'll take this down to my Forstner bits and find the appropriate size to drill the hole. Okay, so I got this measured out. This is the max width of the door, and it's about exactly this. It's going to be a tight fit. I'm a little worried because I'm going to be chewing out a lot of the meat with this. When I drill through with this, it's only going to leave a little bit on the sides. Okay, so I got the hole drilled out pretty clear center. So now we'll go ahead and do a test fit and see how that's looking. Okay, now with this hole drilled, just go ahead and test fit it. Oh, and that fits like a glove. Oh, that's great. Look how nice that fits. That's perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and put some epoxy in here, and I'll epoxy that right on. We're in business. So we're not going to be shy with the epoxy, we're going to put lots in. Now this full of epoxy. Go ahead and put it on. Make sure it's nice and straight. Well, thank you very much, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this episode. It turned out really nice. The only problem is that now the question has come up if I can make one for every door in the house. Well, it's not going to happen. But it turned out really nice. Really love the finish. That was black walnut Danish oil and about 4 coats of lacquer over that once it dried. Well, that's it for this knob. I'm signing out.